The check seal covers a series of holes in the mid-portion of your nail gun cylinder. When the gun is fired, the piston shoots down the cylinder. The check seal opens and allows the pressurized cylinder air to escape. The check seal then seals the holes back off, so compressed air in the return chamber can push the piston back up the cylinder for the next shot. When the check seal fails, the piston won't return to the top of the cylinder after firing. Replacing the check seal is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cap from the nail gun. Now I'll remove the cylinder and the piston. Now I can remove the check seal from the cylinder. Now I can install the new check seal. First, I'll apply some grease to both sides. And I'll install the check seal onto the cylinder. I'll install it so the rib is pointing towards the top of the cylinder. Now I'll reinstall the piston into the cylinder. I'll pull the piston to the bottom of the cylinder. This will make it easier to install the driver back into the gun. Now this assembly is ready to go back into the gun. You'll notice one side of the piston is notched. The notched side needs to face towards the back of the gun. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cap. And now you can install a new check seal in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.